Mutuum is not just for users, guys. It's also for builders. So you can integrate it into your dApp today. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Mutuum. The link to this will be in the description of the video. It is a next generation decentralized lending protocol that is built on permissionless open source smart contracts, and it is designed to serve as a reliable infrastructure layer for the evolving DeFi landscape. Now, with a strong focus on composability, Mutuum is actually enabling seamless integration into existing or new Web3 applications, which gives the developers the flexibility to build, customize, and innovate without barriers. Now, guys, of course, I would strongly suggest that you head on over to their website. That way, you could also check out all the necessary information here that will definitely be able to help you in getting to know them better, and check out the benefits as well as the value that they will bring once you start with them. Now, its on-chain architecture, guys, is not only transparent, but it is engineered for reliability, which makes it a dependable foundation for lending and borrowing systems. Now, guys, by allowing anyone to deploy and interact with this protocol, Mutuum reinforces the core ethos of DeFi. So open access, decentralization, and interoperability. So the developers will be able to benefit from the comprehensive technical documentation, the robust SDKs, and an actively maintained GitHub, which makes it easy to build that custom front ends or extend the protocol functionality. And of course, guys, just by checking their landing page alone, you will get a lot of information already. But I would still strongly suggest that you head on over to their white paper, guys. Just click on this white paper link up there, and it will take you directly here. Okay, it has a ton of information that will definitely be very, very helpful for you to get to know them better and know what are the benefits and what are the advantages, as well as what are the things that will help you out in being successful at what you do. So you could head on over here. You have the overview. Okay, you have the FAQs as well, and you also have the pre-sale phases. This is very, very important, guys. You will see pre-sale phase 1 up to 11 and the price, as well as the total allocated tokens for those pre-sale phases. This is very important because, again, guys, you will be able to get it at the lowest price. And once you get it at the lowest possible price, you will have more leeway on getting more profit from your investments. But of course, just like what I always tell you, make sure to do your own research. Head on over to their white paper. Start here, because this alone is actually your one-stop shop with all the necessary information that talks about Mutuum Finance. Now, Mutuum also supports a fully operational testnet environment, which ensures that projects can be safely developed, tested, and optimized before going live. So whether you're building a standalone dApp or you're looking to plug into a broader ecosystem, Mutuum simplifies integration and empowers the builders with the tools that they need. Now, as DeFi matures, composability becomes a key differentiator. And guys, Mutuum is purpose-built to meet this demand now with a growing community of developers and that active technical contributors. The project is gaining traction as a modular, developer-friendly solution for decentralized finance. Now, for the teams out there, guys, that are seeking an open, adaptable protocol to power your DeFi vision, Mutuum offers infrastructures, support, and flexibility to bring that vision to life. So head on over to their website, guys. And of course, just like what I always tell you, make sure to follow all their social media platforms. That way, when they have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything and basically everything about the project, you will always be informed. It is at the bottom of their page. You can see there their Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Telegram, and Discord. Check them out. follow and subscribe to them so you will not miss out on any update. And if you are new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.